You replayed the whole conversation again. The way she laughed, the way she touched your arm, the long pause before she said goodnight. And you still have no idea if she's into you or just being nice. So you do what every man does. You guess, you overthink, you talk yourself out of it. But attraction was never invisible. Her body has been broadcasting the same answer the whole time. In signals studied in actual labs, there are 5. The 5th is the only one she can't consciously fake. Signal 1. Her pupils give her away. Research found that pupils dilate when someone looks at a person they are drawn to, run by the same nervous system that handles arousal completely involuntarily. When she is interested, her eyes widen slightly, and her gaze holds a half a second longer than conversation requires. You won't catch it by staring, you will feel it. That sense she's looking at you a beat too long, like she forgot to look away. Politeness breaks eye contact on schedule. Attraction forgets to. This next signal happens without her even deciding to do it. Signal 2. She mirrors you. Psychologists call it behavioral synchrony. When two people are drawn to each other, their bodies start copying each other without either noticing. You sip your drink. A moment later, so does she. You lean in, she leans in. The brain does this automatically to build closeness with someone it wants. So the next time, change something small. Lean back, touch your face. If she unconsciously follows within seconds, her nervous system decided something her mouth hasn't admitted. Signal 3. She creates reasons to touch you. Humans instinctively reduce physical distance to people they are attracted to. A hand on your arm when she laughs, her knee angled until it brushes yours, finding a reason to fix your collar. None of these are accidents. The body seeks contact with what it wants. One touch could be friendly. A pattern of her engineering contact is her body voting before she words it. But the 4th signal is where most men misread everything. Signal 4. She remembers what she shouldn't. When someone likes you, your words get filled differently in their memory. The brain prioritizes information about people it finds significant. So she remembers the offhand thing you said 3 weeks ago, your dog's name, the show you mentioned once. A woman who isn't interested forgets your details because her brain never flagged them as worth keeping. A woman who's into you recalls things you don't even remember telling her. That recall isn't a good memory, it's attention. And attention is attraction leaving fingerprints. Signal 5. Her feet and body open towards you. This is the one she can't manage because she doesn't know she's doing it. Body language research shows people angle their torso and feet towards those they are drawn to and away from those they are not, even mid-conversation. Even while smiling politely, she can fake a laugh, she can force eye contact. But the direction her body orients when she relaxes is wired beneath her awareness. If her feet, her chest, her whole frame keeps turning to face you while the room fades behind her, that's the tell every other signal was pointing at. And here is the thing that you need to understand. You already noticed some of these. The lingering look, the touch, the way she remembered. You felt them in real time, then talked yourself out of it. Every time. Because believing she's interested felt riskier than staying unsure. But you don't know what to do. How to actually make her yours. That's why I created the free masterclass. This is the biggest free dating masterclass on the entire internet, and you can watch it completely for free. The link is in the description. I am dating ASAP, class dismissed.